To make money on Fiverr as an artist, start by creating a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experience, and artistic style. Showcase a diverse portfolio to attract potential clients. Clearly define your services, pricing, and delivery time. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to increase visibility in search results. Offer different packages to cater to various client needs and set competitive prices while considering your skills and market demand. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Respond promptly to inquiries, communicate effectively, and deliver high-quality work within the specified time frame. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews, as these significantly impact your Fiverr ranking. Promote your gigs on social media platforms, forums, and relevant communities to expand your reach. Consider offering special promotions or discounts for first-time clients to attract initial orders. Stay updated on industry trends, continually improve your skills, and adapt your offerings based on market demands. By consistently delivering quality work, maintaining excellent communication, and leveraging market strategies, you can establish a successful presence on Fiverr as an artist and generate a steady income.